Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the removal of the Google Account Lock security feature on an Android device, also known as the FRP lock for factory reset protection. Now, here with us today, we have a T-Mobile LG Aristo 4 Plus. So this is a device that is from T-Mobile here in the US, and this is a device that does indeed have the Google Account Lock enabled, because as we can see here, as we're going through the setup steps, we get to the screen that tells us that the device was reset, and to continue, we have to sign in with a Google account that was previously used on the device. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves accidentally got locked out of their own device and couldn't remember or recover their login information after having done a factory reset, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. And then obviously after the purchase, the buyer discovered the device was locked, and clearly they were not going to have the previous user's login info. And in those cases, the seller has usually long since disappeared, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. But we're making this video here today to show any interested customers that we do offer a service to be able to remove the lock from this exact model without having to have the previous user's login information. It's a procedure that we do directly to the phone while it is plugged into a computer, and the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. So actually, as I'm speaking, I'm running our unlock program here on the device that goes ahead and takes care of that lock for us. It just needs another minute or two to finish up running, and then it'll reboot the phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video to the end so that we can keep this as short as possible. So just hold on while this finishes up. Okay, so we should be all set now. The device is restarted, and we've been going, as we go through the setup steps here one by one, we should be able to see that we can get all the way to the home page without running into that Google lock. So we're going to agree to the Google services here and then keep going. And we don't need a screen lock, so we're going to go ahead and skip that step. Skip. Agree the terms and conditions, skip that T-Mobile option, do that. And there we go. We've got the home screen loading up here. We have full access to all of the apps and settings and features. And this is just like a brand new device that never had the lock on there. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you exactly what we are working with. So when we go under the About Phone section, we can indeed see here that we have an Aristo 4 Plus. And then, of course, you saw the T-Mobile logo when it was turning off and on, so that does indicate it as being a T-Mobile device. And then under hardware info here, the model number there, the LM-X320TA. That's the specific model number of the T-Mobile version of the Aristo 4 Plus. So if you have one of these Aristo 4 Pluses from T-Mobile that has the Google Lock enabled, we would love to help you in getting that removed, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have here on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.